Chapter number 13 and final chapter of this course, the workshop. After you have completed this chapter, you should be able to identify some common problems in writing SQL statements, determine the common causes and observations, describe the different tuning approaches and the behavior of the optimizer, as well as describe the effects of function on index utilization. You're going to tune sort operations for the order by clause and tune high parse time using a parse time reduction strategy. You will also maintain stable execution plans over time. This chapter is made up of 9 workshops based on the SQL tuning techniques covered in preceding lessons. All workshops are based upon problem solving. You must find ways to enhance performance through several tasks in each workshop. You also review concepts learned in each workshop through quizzes. Finally, by resolving the problems, you reinforce your learning. In the first workshop, you must find a workaround to enhance performance. You analyze a poorly written SQL statement, and you will carry out additional tasks such as creating a function-based index, redesigning a simple table, and rewriting the SQL statement. In the second workshop, you're going to review the execution steps of an SQL statement section. You review the SQL statement that uses a bind variable in the indexed column, and you will analyze 2 execution plans of the SQL statement by using the explain plan command and $views. You should be able to describe why the 2 execution plans are different for the same SQL statement. In the third workshop, you will be shown the possible use of an index in the order by clause to tune a sort operation. You perform several tasks to be able to use the indexed order by column. After all the tasks are complete, you verify if the index always produces a better plan cost. In the fourth workshop, you assume that you have identified a poorly running SQL statement. You already determined that the root cause of the issue is the table design. However, simply recreating the table is not an option because that table is already in use. You will try to tune the SQL statement by rewriting it. In the fifth workshop, you will write several SQL statements that return the same output to see which SQL statement is more efficient. You also examine the effects of changing column order in a composite index. In the workshop 6 and 7, you will review the execution plan and several sections in an event 10053 trace file. You interpret the information to understand the optimizer's decision. There are several questions on cost model, selectivity, and cardinality. You need to answer these questions. Finally, you learn how to use the information in the 10053 file to tune the SQL statement. In the 8th workshop, you assume that you have identified a slow-running SQL statement. It was run 534 times in a certain time period. You notice that a different literal value was used in each execution. This caused the system to parse the same statement 534 times with a high parse time, which is not efficient. You perform several tasks to tune the high parse time. You will also try to find out which tuning strategy could be used. In the 9th workshop, Oracle has introduced several methods to maintain the stable execution plans of SQL statements, such as hints, stored outlines, and SQL profiles. In Oracle 11g, you can use a much better way to manage the execution plan, called the SQL Plan Baseline. This feature allows the optimizer to make the right decision in choosing a verified or tested execution plan in SQL Plan Baseline, even if the optimizer generates a new plan during hard parse. In this workshop, you learn how to use this feature to associate a hinted execution plan with a hard-coded SQL statement. In this lesson, you should have learned how to identify some common problems in writing SQL statements, determine common causes and observations, describe the different tuning approaches and describe the behavior of the optimizer, as well as describe the effects of functional index usage. You have learned how to tune sort operations for the order by clause, tune high parse time using a parse time reduction strategy, and maintain stable execution plans over time.